In this video, myself and my client Courtney will be performing the bird dog exercise. Starting in the quadruped position, I will push up through the ground, retracting the shoulder blades slightly, making sure that the arms are rotated anteriorly so that the elbows are facing posterior. Next, I will stabilize the core, pulling the navel in towards the spine. I will make sure that the shoulders are directly over the wrists and that the knees are in alignment with the hips. Once I'm in the correct postural alignment, I can slowly raise and extend the right arm and left leg, holding the position for one inhale, and on the exhale, releasing both back down to the quadruped position. I will then repeat the movement on the opposite side. Once I have demonstrated 5 bird dog movements, I will have my client Courtney perform 10 repetitions of the bird dog exercise and provide corrections if needed. Here I have my client Courtney performing the bird dog exercise for 10 repetitions. We're going to have her start in the perfect postural alignment using the MPI 4 points of posture. She's going to make sure that her knees are stacked under her hips and her wrists are stacked underneath her shoulders. And she's going to maintain a nice tight core throughout the entire repetition of each movement. In the preparation phase of the bird dog, Courtney is working on correcting her posture in the correct alignment and making sure that her quadruped position and bird dog position are in the correct alignment as well. This is also the isometric phase of the exercise and the preparation phase. Next, as Courtney extends her opposite arm and opposite leg, she is coming into the central phase and eccentric phase of the exercise. As she holds the unilateral stance for one inhale and comes back down into the quadruped position, Courtney is coming into the concentric phase of the exercise, as well as the terminal phase of the movement as she brings both the opposite arm and opposite leg back to the starting position. The primary muscle groups for the bird dog exercise are the rectus abdominis and the erector spinae muscles. The secondary muscle groups are the gluteus maximus, gracilis, abductor longus, and tensor fasciae latae. This is a great exercise for your clients when they begin a core strengthening program due to the low intensity and low impact of this movement. This can be a preliminary exercise for a client who is looking to strengthen their core, and the next progression of this exercise may be a plank in the frontal position or a side plank.